Uh, okay, today is this short training for the Blue. And normally the Blue software training could last for 3 days to 4 days, which we cannot do. And the classroom training also not favorable at this COVID-19 situation. So we will conduct some kind of the quick startup, short quick startup. Then you can continue on learning yourself, because the Blue is very easy to learn, easier than GB Pro X. So GB Pro X, all the head manual, all it's just kind of the comprehensive, but the Blue training all are video. So it's just a video, just follow on the video. Later I will show you. So very easy to learn, Okay, so we will start with the, I will share the screen and all right, can you see the screen?
Yeah, can.
All right. Okay, so let me introduce a little bit about the Blue. Okay, I think we can record now.
Yeah, I'm recording already.
Okay, Blue is ahead of for all the HMI because the graphic, okay, rich and expressive interface and intuitive operation. This is about the graphic and many device drivers available, and effectively use machine information and reduce time on the reduce time required to create screen with new design methods. Okay. Okay. The rich means this is like a smartphone like operation. So the scroll, zooming, it can support the pinch, two-hand pinch, zooming, and scrolling, left, right is all supported. Okay. High quality graphic. So even you zoom out the contents, the wording and the letter, the graphic stay sharp, sharp and clear. And yes, you can view all the screen in one screen. You can fit many screen in one screen. Okay, so themes are supported. So nighttime, night mode or alarm mode, the themes, the color and themes can be changed easily. Okay, this navigation is you can set up in minimum amount of time, like the menu navigation. You don't need to create buttons, just the predefined sets the navigation. Okay, so zoom in is easier. Using the grid cell, it's time saving. It's quickly create a nicely spaced content. That is about the navigation. This is a set navigation style. It could be 3 style. Like a drop-down menu. Now is an icon. It also can be slide. This slide navigation. Okay, multiple drivers. So it's still based on the GB Pro X multiple driver list. So it's a lot of driver supports plus GB Pro only can support 4 protocols simultaneously, but Blue you can use 10 protocols. So many PSC can be connect same time. All right. Okay, this a quick look at the driver list. And also included the OPC UA. OPC UA server. Also included this supporting the HTML browser. So it's kind of no need to develop the screen for second screen for the HMI, just using the HTML browser like Internet Explorer or Chrome or supported HTML5. You can just exactly the view as HMI like this. So HMI is ST6000, and on the web browser, you can view the exactly same, and even in the mobile phone, no need software, anything, just view the same as the HMI. So can support the Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, the position wise. Okay, so for the data level and this access control level. Okay, so real-time data handling, tested real-time control, monitoring, computation, business optimization, data management. Means that the higher is the more data, more control. Okay, so basic HMI for simple machine. So you can use this Blue and ST6000 series, and GB4000 also can be used, and more advanced or mid-range. You can use SP5000 series. Blue also still can use GB Pro X and Pro Server X for the data management software. Higher things, industrial PC for the whole plant management, industrial PC and Blue Open Studio and Blue software as well. And mobile remote control is remote HMI, Proface remote HMI on the tablet software app. Using the Proface Connect. So Proface Connect, we already conducted last training and demo I think last month or last 2 months ago by Schneider. Okay, so it's a kind of the VPN concept on the share software. Okay, benefits for you is no depends on the HMI resolution. So the Blue is not the resolution free. You can convert to any resolution easily because the graphics are very stay okay. Even you change the big screen to small screen. So not like GB Pro. GB Pro, you need to all design the screen image, test. Quicker access to information, easy setting of the responsive design, flexible design, one changing resolution. So these are the key points to compete with the other brands, okay, and save the cost in the resources, more value on machines. Okay, so for the customer, quick access to information, flexible database access, easy analysis with the trend graph, so better product efficiency, ease of use, database connectivity, and easy analysis for QCT. It's a quality control. So this success story is in Korea. Just want to have nice looking screen with stylish design to be competitive. So using the blue and using the VBN, Proface Connect, Secure Connect. All right, so we will continue to the grid training. Can you see my slide show?
Can see.
Slideshow in full or half?
Half only.
Half only, yeah. Just, 5% of you.
Same, Bobby.
Same, huh?
Maybe you just drag the right side to smaller, become smaller. Lor. Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is fine. This is okay.
Okay.
There is a setting. I forgot how to set.
This one should be the Zoom Zoom webinar.
Okay, now I think we continue like this. Okay, small screen. Okay, so today the topic of the meeting training is introduction to Proface Blue software. Okay, demo system showcase, fire software installation, creating simple project as assemble. So introduction already done. So demo system, we will launch this demo system. Can you see the blue screen? Blue
Yes,
software.
can see.
Okay. Okay, the software is still launching. All right, so we will simulate this new software. So simulate from here. This is a big project, so loading time is slower. Okay, can you see this Proface demo screen?
Yes, can see.
Okay, so can you see in full or half? Full page, huh?
Full.
Okay. So we are go to the somewhere screen. Okay. This is a status monitoring page. This the kind of the button. This is a trend. Yeah, this is alarm. Yeah, this is packaging demo. Pumping. Can you hear the sound as well? Can.
Yes, can. When you press, we can hear the sound.
All right.
Kubabi, can I ask
Yes.
some question? Yeah. For the simulation, do still need to do the some script, is it? For simulation.
For simulation.
Yeah, just now the when you switch on this button, and then we saw the simulation is there. So do we need to do the some script for simulation?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, so you can zoom. Okay. the graphic stays sharp. So zoom. So look at this the test is still okay. It's a nice feature of the graphic design. Okay. This is a demonstration of the HPAC. We go back to home and visit screen. These are the graphic included the shape came with the software. Fonts, multiple language, basic parts like the switch, press, release, hold. Okay. Security switch and check box. And drop down list. Lamp. It's a lamp. And this is a data display. Key in. Okay, language, Chinese, or Japanese? I think Japanese. And color. This scroll view, currently my screen is not supported touch and scrolling support. If the HMI is supported scrolling and multiple point touch, you can scroll, you can also zoom, the pinch zooming. And also come with this combater. So user cannot, user no need to use your own script or own calculation. It's symbol like temperature changings to Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius is already included in the formula. So for example, here is it. So long. Meter. Scaling, color converter, expression, weight. This is the animation. Okay, so for the data management is like I did lamp logging and trend. And the block trend. CB. Security. Operation logging. So security is security. Okay, here is security. So login. For the username and password. AAA. Okay, this level 5. AAA. Okay, noise level is level 5. It's good thing is password expiration. So previous you can set for 90 days. Automatically password expire, then login. You need to create again. Okay, color. Okay, this
Oh,
is
sorry, Bobby. For the
yes.
blue, the user can set the expiry date for the password.
Yeah, the one I'm not sure, but mostly this administrator can set.
Okay. So mean if after expired, if they don't change the password, then they cannot log in already.
Um, yeah,
Okay.
I think yeah. Okay, so color themes, demo 1, demo 2, demo 3, night mode, night mode 2, night mode 3, alarming mode. Okay, so one alarm come out, you can automatically switch to the color. The operators easily see there's an alarm. Okay, language, English and Japanese. Okay, multiple screen, all in one page. And you can click on designer screen just directly. For the tank, just click on the tank.
Bobby, Joanne have question for you.
All right, yeah. So, okay, you can unmute the mic and you can speak.
Bobby, I saw that there's no add user option.
User,
Add user, yes. Is it fixed on how many users you add in the programming stage?
or user level.
Yeah,
I
user
think
level.
the user level level.
So for example, you have here one basic security. Then when you uploaded the program to the HMI, can you
Can
add a user in the HMI?
yeah, you can have a many different level and user group. So this name and the user group is business security group, and the GAS, okay, then fee worker, system administrator. So
Yes, I am aware of that, but
four group is available.
yeah, my question is, because you added one each level here, can you add it in the HMI? For example, you need to add one administrator user in the HMI, so
Or
can it
like a
tell
GP
you?
Pro. I think yeah, I think so. The higher level can along higher level can edit the lower level user, and the user itself also should be able to change their password or their name,
Yes,
like
I
a
understand.
GP Pro. Yeah.
But my question is, can you add another admin level? For example, Alex is already an admin, so I
Oh
want
yes,
to add
sure.
another one.
Another one is sure. Can. The
Not
user
not
can.
not in the blue software in the HMI. Is there
Oh
any?
no, not possible.
So
Only
whatever you add here, only
software. Only in the software you need to configure.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I think that's all for the manufacturer showcase. Okay, so Okay, so we will go to the create the project from sketch. So we will create this very simple project and show how to use the half video. I will close this simulation. Right, and I will close this software and create a new project. Okay, next topic is the trial software installation. So you can download from Proface website. Go to the software. I think you already installed. We will skip this one. Then go to Blue. Okay, you can Blue 3.1 is the latest. Okay, so trial mode you can use for 42 days. Okay. 42 days, then you need to activate. Before activation, you can use for 40 days. And select the 64-bit or 32-bit or runtime. Okay, runtime is, this is Blue 64 and 32 is editor, and runtime is like a WinGP. It's running, HMI running on the PC. Okay? It's like WinGP. Then after that, you can download. Then you can install. Then after that, you also need to install this Bluetooth. Okay? Bluetooth is some additional tools for your software. So this one also need to install. And this is only one you use SP5000 CD can open slave and bus unit. Okay, so one thing additional is Design Studio. You can go to this HMI Design Studio. So you can download the image and the templates, the icon. Okay. This is to save your time of the downloading. So templates, you can download this okay, simple parts layout, LAM. So you don't need to create it from scratch. You just download the parts and copy to your project. And also like gauge, graph, layout, switch, and lamp. So gauge, metallic gauge, half meter, tachometer, and tachometer. And the layout like layout, dark panel, step panel. And the switch and lamp. Not many, but you can download and use in your you can open two Blue project in same time. So you download this project, then you can copy and paste to your project easily. Also, the Blue software come with the image library. So later I will show you how to use the image. And one more thing is this is image library for individual, not much, but you can also download this image. This is just an image, not a part. So you how to use in your software. I will show you. And icon generator. Okay, icon generator is also useful. For example, like this, you can create this kind of icon. And, for example, you want to use like cross mark. Okay, choose the side, the pixel. Then choose the color. Okay, this will not change the color. Okay, I will choose another one. Stay they are developing. Okay, that is the color you can change. Then after that, you can select the format, PNG or JPEG, then you can download. So that's the picture, the icon you can download your PC, then use in this PNG file, you can use in the software. So like this icon, there are many icons to generate. Okay. On the categories, like a large icon, device equipment icon, and device machine icon, human body, standard. Okay, so this also HMI Design Studio is a time saving for your development. And coming on the way is online tutorial. So not yet completed. It's coming soon. Stay coming soon. Only finish up to this 3, 4. Yeah, I think up to 3 only. Okay, but the health file come with the new software. Also explain a lot of. Okay, so you can also manual download list of the connectable device, supported model, feature list, FAQ, migration search, pitching, hardware manual, module driver, certification. Certification is like the marine certificate and edX certificate. If you want to show your clients, download from here. All right, any questions? Okay, if not, we will create the simple projects. Okay, I will use this is a Schneider M221 project, and simulate together with this blue device simulation. So I'm using this EcoStructure machine expert basis, which is also free download from the Schneider. Okay, last time it was called the Soul Machine Basis. So now they changed the name to EcoStructure Machine Basis, which is the BSD software. You can program to TM221. This is a M221 BSD. You can fully use this software, free. You can download, upload, you can program. This is free. Okay, now for the simulation, I will just stop the module. I want to create a page like this. Okay, start, stop, then running lamp. Okay. So I already created this project. So this is a start push button, stop. This is a direct online ladder logic. So run is M3, M0, M1. Hold on, I have some noise to clear. Okay, sorry for the noise. Okay. Okay, so we want to simulate this things from the HMI blue. So we will simulate this one first. Run the M221 software. This is running. So when I press this M0, the module should be run. Okay. Okay, so go back to the blue. Okay. So for startup, you need to choose a project. So left-hand side is the project settings and the two chests. Okay. And the right-hand side is some properties. So the screen is very clear, very clean. Hide this button. So first you need to choose the target. So default is SD7500. You can okay, so you can change from here which model. You can use SP5000 series, GP4000 series, IPC or PCAD. Okay, then choose a model here. And the resolution is fixed resolution for the Z500. Okay, after that you press OK. Okay, then add driver, BSC. So go to the driver and add driver from here. We are using the Schneider, so you add the Schneider Modbus TCP. Schneider Electric mobile TCP master, which you can use on the ESC list is here. Okay, press OK. Then the IP address for the software. Now we are using simulation on the same PC. So we can use this local host address 127.0.0.1. Okay. Then after that, we have to create the variable. So go to the variable links and all variable, in which we need to add the variable first. So add Boolean first, so name, we will name as a start. Then the source is internet or internet's local variable, so we change to the Schneider. And the device address is M0 for start, M1 for stop. So we change from here, address. Okay, this is a Modbus address, which is start from 0 or 1, and for the data register 3 and 4. Okay, so we can use this special. Go back to our driver list. Schneider Electric. Okay, here equipment settings, addressing mode. We will click then on the IEC 1131. So IEC 1131 is start with the M and the blue, and it's a 0-base default. Okay, so we are done on this. Once we're done on, we go back to the variable is. Okay, once we done all, we can assign here M. Okay, start with M or and blue. So at the M0, okay, then create another Boolean for the stop. Electric. And device address is M1. Okay, you can create on the software, or you can export this variable list as a CSV file. Okay. Then you can import, you can add some variable here, and then you can import back. Okay, to do this, we copy the whole things here. Okay, so we name it this one to Moto 1. This one, okay, let's say save. Over to here, then we can import CSV file here. Try again. I don't know why it's not importing. Okay, this we will troubleshoot later. Okay. Okay, so the feature is there. So okay, so we will add another variable from here for the module. M3, and also we can M3 is we add the boolean. Then okay, now and then we can add the what data. So once started, okay, the timer will count. The running timer will counting. So this timer value I want to reach from the HMI. So I created this Andrew 0 for the timer value. So we can add the timer value here. For example, like running. Okay, so change the bombas, then Andrew 0. All right. Okay, we start with this one first. So the screen creation. Okay, there's a screen design. Okay, screen 1. Open the screen 1. Okay, this is your screen. Okay, so we'll change the color from here. Okay, we will start adding the start and stop button here. So go to tool chest, and there is parts. Okay, you can change the things to green simple, silver dark, or blue light. Okay, just leave it the default one. Green light. Okay, so we add the switch. So here is a from drop-down menu. You can have a switch here. Drag to here, and we need the two switch. So we can drag to So you can write the size. You can write, or you can drag to change the size. That is. And okay, so there is no double click and right click on the blue software. So you only have to do with this right hand side properties window. So go to the function. This operation is bit. Okay, so bit is set reset toggle. So we will add the momentary on. Destination is click on this variable. The variable is we choose the target is start. And for the shape, for the test release, font color white, and test you can type the start. Okay. And this one as well, stop. Okay. Function, we will do it again. For the momentary on, destination variable, and stop. Okay. Okay, then running is lamp. You can use this lamp. Okay, so the current value you need to use a variable to current value is motor 1. You can view the state. The state is like this. Okay. And after that, we can simulate. So there is a two simulation: device simulate and simulate. So device simulate is only isolated simulation, only HMI simulation. This simulate is connected to external device. Okay, so we are using the Schneider software, the external BSE, so we will use this simulate feature. Okay, so we will click on start. Okay, it's running. We check the software inside. Okay, M3 is running. Stop. Okay, stop is off. Okay, so this is basically how to do the things.
Bobby,
Bobby,
how
can
you
I-
do the
Yeah.
sorry, how you do the
Yeah.
simulation for the PLC and the boot together?
Okay, because I am using the internet address or your IP. You can use the internet IP.
Okay.
Okay? So here
Okay.
is localhost 127, or you can key in your PC IP address also can.
Okay, understood.
In reality, you need to key in the real
The hardware
device.
IP address, yeah.
Now for simulation, you can use this one. And then also you need to run this simulator, or you can use mobile simulator also you can use. If you don't have this Schneider software, you can use a mobile simulator. ModSim.
Understood.
Okay, next step is I want to add this timer value, so which is MW0. I already created a variable in here. So I will add running time. So go to the two shares. You can use this numeric display. Okay, add here. and the current value is, we can use a variable. So running time, and I'll leave it like this first. Then we test. Just box. The good thing is you can change the font size. It doesn't matter. So big or small, it stay good shape. It's very small also. No problem. Okay, I can turn on the snap object to create, so it's now easier to analyze. Show it. Okay, we'll try again. Simulate. Start. No studying. Start. Okay, so the timer is counting. Okay, stop. Okay. Basically, this.
Kobabi, may I ask some question?
Yeah.
Kobabi, yeah, Kobabi. I noticed that this loops that we can connect with a standard device without link with the hardware HMI. Is it for GB Pro? If we don't have the hardware, we cannot link with the external device. Am I right to say?
Yeah.
So the Blue has done this thing.
On GB Pro X is GB Pro X no need external hardware. You can simulate all. For example, you using Omron driver, also you can simulate on the screen. But this Blue, now I see is only using the, you can simulate, you need to use an external device to simulate. So this device simulate is not like GB Pro X. So you cannot, you can simulate like this, okay. For example, you can simulate like this. This is only the device simulate, but nothing happened. Nothing happened.
Yeah.
Only you need to use some kind of the on-off from somewhere to simulate this.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay.
Now,
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Bobby, can I?
Thank you, Kobabi.
Any question?
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Bobby, can I ask a question?
Yeah. Sure.
Because my one of my data type is a timer or a time. Can you, because I tested before, I cannot see still the time on the on the what you call this, on the numerical display.
System time, right?
Yeah, if you can give us a sample of the data type as a timer at a time.
Yeah. You mean the HMI time, right?
Yeah, HMI and PLC time, because in PLC I use time, data type time.
You mean this date and time display?
The running timer instead of integer, can we use data type time?
Oh, I see.
Mhm.
Not this one.
Not this one, the running timer.
You can go to the variable. Let me check. The
Instead of word, it will be time, the data type.
normally, if you are the software got the address, you can use directly the address. For example, this Schneider,
Mhm.
we can use the system watts. System watts. And the other BSC, I don't know. I just example all this M221. Okay. System watts. System watts. Okay, so system watt, there is a RTC, real-time clock second, hour, minute.
I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the timer, right? The timer, there's a preset time, right? And current time, for example. But the data type is time.
Yeah, this is current time, or you are not talking about the time format.
I'm not talking about the current time. I'm talking about the time data type. Maybe you can go to the variables last time.
Okay.
And then check the word, change the word from word to time. Yeah, that's it, time.
Oh, okay. This is the format only.
Yes.
You can set the format, but you need the address from the PLC. Which format
Yes.
you are using?
Because the format in the PLC also in the Omron is also time. The data type is time. So I need to show in the HMI the current time and the target time.
Oh, that's a
So yeah, but currently I tested and the actual time is not.
not compatible maybe.
Yeah.
The common and the one not compatible. Maybe.
So what can we do on this?
You need to study the formats. For example, this PLC using this time format is this one. Okay, each hour, 1 minute, right? So in the hexa,
Okay.
then you need to use in the HMI. Sometimes you have to split the data. For example, this S51 is hour, 1 minute, right? S51. I don't have to quickly add one. Okay, now you can see this absolute 51 43 exit is in the integer. Okay.
Yes, but I need the time format to be time,
Okay.
not integer.
Okay, so it's showing 11 23 in BCD format. Okay, so this
Okay.
one we have to import to blue. We'll use MW.
Instead of
Blue is using the devil water. If you use timer, devil water. Let's do this one again. The help file. Okay, first we trying to use normal watts address. Then screen show the okay. So this current time in the real time 11:25. Okay, this is just an example. So okay, for use with the devil formats, we have to check the format again. System watts 51. Okay, let's say 51 and 52 is hour, minute, and man, day, date. Let's say we change to this one to we add the time. Okay, we try this one first. Initial. Okay, this one we need to study the time format of this one. So need to go to the manual. Okay, so this will later on I will send the suggestion. Okay.
Okay, no. Thank
Now
you.
I cannot cover this menu and. Okay, so okay, so the switch is look very plain, not nice. You can use this kind of the image. Okay, so there's a display image. So we will browse for this this manual. The library is come with the blue software. So we can use anything on the arrow switch. Square, no, circle. Okay, we use like a GB Pro, or we can use this switch. So this is an off image, so we use this color, and then when you press, also use another image, this image. Okay. And this one as well. Display image. Okay. I want to change this one to color to the image color. With this lamp, also we can change the shape. This is off image and on image. Off image. Second lamp. How about we use this one? Green. And on image. On image. Okay, then the one make it same side. So this way also you can use the switch. Okay, so I think you not clear. You can go to the Help menu. Come with this Help menu. So you need along the block contents and go to the quick tool or feature guide. Feature guide. So all the information are here. For example, drawings, part, shape, switch, overview. Okay, so good thing is always the video file is showing. Come with the video help. Okay. Not like a GB Pro. Okay, so setting example. How to set so add variable. So you need to add the Project Explorer variables and add the following variable, Boolean types, and screen design. Screen you can add the function touch operation, just like I did. So you can create like this switch. So every topic come with the video. So now I'm going to use a lamp. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to create a lamp. So what are lamps? Step to design. What are lamps is already have a video explanation. Just sit and watch. All right, so there's an explanation how a lamp works. Easy to follow using this video. And displaying a lamp. Step to design. First step, add a lamp from the screen. I can increase the size. Add a lamp group. Select variable types of lamp to create. It could be like a GB Pro. It could be Boolean, bit alarm, or watt alarm. Label alarm is watt alarm. So just watch and learn. So easy. Okay. Okay. Let's create some alarm. You can watch the video anytime, but my video is only for today. So I'll go to this one. Then I will add another screen. Screen 2. Canvas type. You can add the for example, I want to add the top menu. I can also use this kind of the grid. Okay. So row, I'll call it row is only one. You can add like this. Or you can use a content, create as a content. For example, you want to add to this content screen and content is not the same also. These are all we are used to create the screen. Screen 1, screen 2. Actually, you can create the contents. Add contents. Content type is create type. Okay. So this create content you can use back in anywhere. Size is maybe 50 only. Okay, this is content 1. You can name it. You can name this one as a header. Then go to screen 1. You can add the contents. So go to two chairs. Where's the content? No, not this one. Oh, content display. Then after that, you can add anything on the content. It will align to the content automatically. For example, like day and time display. Add here. No, not add here. Go back to the header. Okay. To add here. Yes. Then one more thing is current value have to change to the targets day and time. Okay. Okay, so now we get the day and time display. So this content can be used over and over again. So screen 2, we also add the content display here. button display again. I know this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 0, 0. Top is 50. Okay, so now I want to add a lamp. So a lamp I have to create first. So a lamp. You can add the lamp group here. Lamp group 1. Then add the Boolean lamp here. So variable, I can add a new variable called lamp or lamp. This one. Okay, lamp type you can change to high or low. Change it high. There, you can leave it like this. And lamp message is high. And okay, go back to our screen 2. We will add the lamp display here. So go to 2 chairs, lamp display, lamp summary block here. Okay, then let's navigate. We can simulate a lamp. Because the one is a local variable, just simulate using this switch. And for the navigation, you can also use a like conventional way, the change screen switch here, or you can use this kind of the add folder navigation type. Left. So master screen here, and I will add this screen 1 and screen 2 to drag to here. So we simulate. Okay, now I have the navigation here, screen 2, screen 1, screen 2, lamp on, lamp off. Okay, so it's different from GB Pro X, but after that, if you are used to use this software, it will be faster. Okay. I also want to demonstrate the script. Okay, so you can continue your self-learning on the lamp and the data logging, recipe, security, language table, and computer. I want to show you how to create a script, how to create a lamp. Let's say I want to monitor the value from the PSC. For example, M blue 100, the process value more than 100, I will show a lamp. Okay. So then we can use this kind of the level lamp. But now I want to use this bit lamp, but using the script to monitor. Okay. So we go back to this screen 2 and add the script. So script is you need to change the screen to script. Once you change the script and go back to 2JS, okay, this the available the script design is here. So blue use this kind of block script, so no need to type like a C programming or anything you need to. And then blue doesn't include the ladder logic, so mostly you have to use a script. Okay, now I will show how I'm going to use this MW100 value over to 100, how can trigger the alarm inside using the script. So first we want to so the trigger is value chain. Okay, the script I'm now using script is a screen script. So the screen script is only run on the screen. But for the alarming, right? So alarming, we need to use background. So regardless of any screen on this changes. So you can use this local script, screen script, and the global script. Okay. There's a two type of the script. Okay. Let me show you again. With the script. I think this is the basis. Where's the script? Later I will show you the script is okay, never mind. Time is running. Okay, we will use a global script. So I will close this local script. Then we go to the project explorer. There's a global script. Okay, global script. Global script will be running like a ESC. around there. So go back to do just. So the trigger is value chain. So when the value chain, okay, I'm monitoring and 100. Okay, and 100. So we can add the variable here. Hide some not available in the loop. Global script, some are not available. Hide the available types. So the value is here. So you can add like this. So if it accepts that and correct, it will be stay in the place. But if you do like this, it will not run. This script will be error. You need to drop to the point. It is accepted. If not compatible, it will not accept. For example, you add to here, not add, or is free standing, although cannot. Okay, so variable is I'm monitoring okay, we need to create a new variable first. M100. So go back to the variable. So add this one to say temperature. I'm using 100. 100, okay. Okay. Then go back to our script. Okay, so variable is temperature. Okay, when the value change, the script will start running. Okay, so value chain is for what? For what value chain? The condition. Okay, we go to the condition. The condition is if value condition. What's the condition? Okay, no need one. Hide it. No need one. Hide. Target. No need. Condition is no, not condition. Okay, logic. Okay, the logic is if else statement. So we add like this. Okay, so now I'm already accepted. So if so, we are monitoring this variable. So we copy this here, paste, and again. Okay, so condition is comparison, right? Oh no, comparison is here. Okay, if here is variable, if temperature more than greater or equal to 100, here is constant, so you cannot type again. So it's a little bit troublesome at the first time. It's a constant here. Okay, so here only you can type. So if variable temperature greater than 100, I will do something. I will do the alarming. So this value chain again. Oh no, Boolean value chain. Set or toggle. Okay, you choose a set. This one is variable again, and a lamp here. It's a lamp. Okay. Then else. We can copy this one. Copy, paste, reset. Yeah, that's all. Okay, so if you can run the no error, it means okay. If error have, it will come out something. Okay, now we will simulate this variable from here. See, I type to 150. Okay, that's alarm. Okay, so we set back to 98. Done. Okay. Okay, so that's how to use script and alarm. So other feature, you can learn yourself, or you can yes, H. No need to install the software, you can use the manual here. So I can use the script to such. Okay. So you can use this video to learn how to use the script. Okay. So easier to learn yourself. Okay, I think that's it all for the today's short startup training. Okay, so I will accept some question if you have, or you can email me. You can email to us, Ken and Elon. Okay, Elon, okay, you can ask anybody to the hardware have, software have. Okay. Any question? Champ, Jonah, and our people, women.
No question from me.
No question, Go Bobby.
Okay,
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so we will end this the demo.
But how is the lead time for John?
Yeah. Thank you, Go Bobby. Thank you, Go Bobby.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's all.
Thanks,
Okay,
Bobby.
Ken?
Thanks, Bobby.
Okay.
Okay, so we will end this meeting now. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching the demo. Okay, I hope you
Right now,
very well.
right now I commit to my customer.
Okay, bye-bye.
But
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
another, do I commit the